Hello guys, welcome to another new video in which you will get great information about full-time day trading, so that you can also apply high probability trade with good setup. Today we will do buying trade in US dollar versus Canadian dollar, in which you will be well explained step by step all the process. In this pair we will try to generate good profit. Here I am applying trade according to my risk. Guys, we have $1,000 in this account, which has to grow. We are running a loss of few dollars right now, which we will try to convert into profit. Here I have calculated all these lots with the help of position size calculator, whose link you will find in the description box. Let me explain the trend to you. The market is running in an uptrend for the last 10 days, because of which we have applied a buying trade here. In the direction in which the trend of the market is, there are more chances of hitting the target. The market has been following this trend line for a long time, due to which we are getting the right trend line support points. The more points we connect with the trend line, the better the trend line will work in the future. Connect the second trend line with the same angle to the higher high points of the uptrend. This trend line indicates the overbought situation in the market, from which we can guess from where the market can reverse. The market is currently following our trend channel very well, due to which all the higher high higher low points are being created inside the trend channel. If the market continues to follow the uptrend like this, we will achieve our goal. Guys, here I am applying 2 more trades, because the market has come down a bit. Our trades are being applied at the right place, so that it will be easy for us to manage the risk. Now we have to draw strong support resistance level. This level is an important level. This is how we get to know the reversal points. For this I am using the rectangle tool. At this level the market has created multiple support resistance points. At this level the market has repeatedly reversed, which we can predict future reverse points. Here you are seeing resistance and support points. The market has followed this level very well. Here the market took resistance first, later it broke it and made it a support, which created a resistance, became support pattern here, which is a strong pattern of the uptrend. High probability chance the market will go up here, because the market is following the uptrend pattern. The market has taken support at strong level along with the trend line, due to which our trade probability increases. Guys, here we will draw another rectangle level from which we will get more good signals of uptrend. It will help you to understand the pattern of the market. This is another strong support resistance level. At this level the market has created support and resistance points. Here the market has reversed very nicely. Here also the market first took resistance, later broke it and made support, due to which resistance became support pattern has been created here, which is a strong pattern of uptrend. Below this level also a similar pattern has been created, which indicates that the market will go towards the uptrend. Let me draw and tell you. Before the market starts there is resistance at the level, then after breaking it support is made, in which case the resistance becomes support pattern. If you want to know the trend of the market, then you can follow these strong levels, which will give good results. Guys, our analysis is complete. We have all levels working very well. Now we have to set stop loss and target point, which is very important for all traders. From this we will know when to exit the market. Here my stop loss will be 35 pips below the strong support resistance level and outside the trend channel. If the market breaks this level or moves out of the trend channel, our trade will be closed. And the target point would be 70 pips above where the market hasn't gone yet. If the market continues to form a resistance, become support pattern like this, then we can achieve our target. Guys, we are currently running a loss around $400 here. We are trying to grow our account to $1,000 through price action. Guys, all our work has been completed here. We have tried our best to do the right analysis. Now let's see how the market will react. Here I have used the risk to reward ratio 1:2. Here my loss is $1,000. If we lose in the market, then it will be $1,000. If profit is made, then it will be above $2,000. This calculation is done before taking the trade. This calculation is necessary for all traders, so that we can grow the trading account in the right direction. Now we have to watch the market till stop loss or target is hit. We will not close the trade. See you guys after a while. If you like the video, then do like it.
Gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill. You cannot stop me, I'ma make it to the top, spicy. Call a covenant, not cocky. You cannot break me, this world's mine for the taking. Got an itch, man, I'm making. Oh, I'll keep my head down and grind and be patient. I'll take a stab at the top and the Satan. They cannot try, but you cannot contain it. Cause I see the things that I want and I'm taking my goal. Cause I'll bring no limit.
Guys, we had to wait for 6 days to reach this target, which is a long time. Out of all the videos I have made, the most time has been spent in this trade. For this we had to be very patient. The time taken is because the market trend was sideways, which took us a long time to reach our target. Our target is not yet hit, so we cannot close the trade first. So we wait till the target is hit.
Fight and be ready to kill. We never give up, no, we never sit still.
Guys, our target has been hit. We have followed our rules very well. The market has given very good results. There have been a lot of up and down moves in the market, but we did not close the trade in between. We stuck with our setup. That's why I ask you to work on the same setup so that you can understand that setup well. Let me explain you the pattern of sideways market. At this level, the market created multiple resistance points. Here the market repeatedly reversed at the same level. Because of this level, we were not able to reach the target, but now market has broken this level. From here market can go up. Now you must be understanding the sideways trend of the market. Our goal has been achieved. Now let's close the trade. Guys, our profit is running more than $2,200. We had deposited $1,000 in this account, which has been made $3,400 with this type of price action. You can also generate good profits. You can make trading rules according to your own trading rules, which never break, always get good results. Guys, if you like the video, then please like and subscribe. If you are new to the channel, see you in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.